Hi guys. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful home at 7 Shea Ridge in Rancho Santa Margarita, California. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home that's over 3,100 square feet. Let's head inside and take a look. Welcome inside this beautiful, spacious, open, and airy home. Now that we're inside, I'm going to be showing you all the built-in features, thoughtful little details, and comfortable living space that is ready for you to make your own. I hope you enjoy. First, we're going to take a look downstairs that has one guest bedroom with a built-in Murphy bed and plenty of storage space. This open kitchen that has 2 ovens, both living areas, each with their own fireplace, and the beautiful backyard that has a spa. Then we're going to head upstairs to look at the other 4 bedrooms, including the master bedroom and bathroom with its own built-in vanity, and an additional office room that has a built-in desk.